These are the awards and payment proof my fans show me by doing this website. This website has very quick payment, at most within 1 hour. You can make more than $3,000 per month by just clicking the website. Hello, this is Madam Q here. Today I'm going to introduce an online earning website that is extremely simple just by clicking the website and can absolutely let you make money at home. And it is worthwhile, so you can do it no matter what countries are you from. Let's start. This website is called Paidera. I've put the link in the comments for you to check. It is a website about paid service. But wait! Don't think it is just a service website. I recommend this for you because of the following features. Unlimited service and only multiple choices. And no any experience requirement. Do not need any training. Third, worthwhile. Fourth, instant payment. Fifth, can do service and get unlimited referral by some auto robot software. Unlike other survey websites that has only few surveys for you and you need to wait to refresh the survey, this website has unlimited service for you. It doesn't mean it has many surveys. Let's go to the dashboard of Paidera and I will explain to you what does unlimited means. Click create an account and fill up the information here, your name, the username, the email address, and create a password, and then sign up and create your account. Click sign in. Don't forget to click the confirmation letter after you sign up. Go to your mailbox and click the confirmation letter. Use my link to register. You will get 50 cents bonus after you sign up. And here is the dashboard of Paidera. Check the quiz here. You can do the quiz list here over and over again. And this is what unlimited means. There are some quiz about personality or psychology, so it doesn't matter what choice you select. And you don't need to make the same answer every time you do the text. All you need to do is just click. You don't need to answer the questions. In fact, you don't even need to see the questions. It only has at most 20 questions for one quiz, and all of them are multiple choice questions. So just click, you will get paid. Note any experience requirement. Do not need any training. Some paid service websites would request some complicated training, but not this website. You can start instantly without any ID verification. And here comes to the questions you care about most. How much exactly could you earn from this website? Watch the video to the end and I will tell you how to make twice or triple money in the websites. Give me a comment yes to show if you're still watching. You can get 20 cents to 25 cents per quiz, and now this website has campaigned recently, so you can get more $0.15 for each quiz. So it's 0.35 to $0.4 for each quiz, and one quiz here at most has 20 questions, and it may take you 10 to 15 minutes per quiz. I will show you what quiz looks like here. There is no need to understand the questions. You can choose any choice. It doesn't matter because you need to wait the website loading, so it will take you 10 to 15 minutes. Even it just have 20 questions. And now we can make the calculation. Let's say you can do 6 quiz per hour. You can start from the highest quiz here. So you will do the 6 quiz over and over again, then you can get $1.36 per hour, and because of the campaign here, we can get more $0.9 per hour, which means we can get $2.26 per hour. If you do the website 10 hours per day, you can get $22 per day just by clicking the quiz. And this is just about quiz. Besides quiz, you can also earn by external service, games, reviews, and referral in this website. You can give the reviews to some review websites so you can get the quota points. Then you can use the quota point to do the quiz here. And now I'm going to give you some tips that can save your time in this website. And tip 4 and 5 are very important to let you earn twice or triple in this website. Tips 1. Do not get surveys from homepage. Some may check surveys from here and want to get higher paid surveys. No, you cannot get any paid even you do surveys here. I already tried for you. You can only get paid by doing the surveys and quiz that showed in your dashboard here. Besides quiz, you can check available surveys here. By doing external surveys, you can not only get paid but also get quota points so you can repeat the quiz. Tip 2. Enter American protocol when you fill in your external service info here. Tip 3. Do not try the surveys in the task list here, especially task 1 and 2 here. Most of them are not exist, many pages cannot open. No need to try the task here, but if you are interested in games, you can try game task here. Task 3, 5 has some games for you to do, like this. Choose the tasks that are not require your billing info so you can protect your ID information. You can see the task requirement when you click the task. And here comes to the tips that can let you earn twice or triple in this website. Tips 4. Use several accounts in different devices to earn twice or triple. Although you cannot open several quiz in the same time at one device and account, but you can open several accounts in different devices, including mobile phone, and do the quiz and surveys at the same time. Use your referral link to register new account. You can get 0.1 per referral for your first 25 referral. Tips 5. Use automatical software to do quiz. You have noticed that the quiz here can be done over and over again, complete once per hour, and you can get paid even you make the exact same choices every time. So use auto software to make same click every time. You can release your hand and time. Let the auto software to do the quiz for you. If you are interested about auto software, please give me a comment and let me know you are interested. If this video gets over 100 comments that says want to know how to get automatically click for payer, I may make a video to teach you how to use a totally free software to click the quiz automatically in payer. And the last but not least, payment in payer. Payment in payer can only paid by PayPal, and the first minimum threshold is $30. Even though payers say they would process your payment request in 50 business days, according to our experience, payer paid very quick. At most 1 hour you can get your money. This is Madam Q here. Give me a like if you find this video is useful. And I really want your subscriptions to encourage me to make videos. So if my video has some useful message for you, it is my honor to have your subscriptions. See you next video.